ndirabatara ati guthigutuike tangania acha kanyumba kau guikaraga karumu mwe Esther itando pate kou era neighbor ni mukunegenerwo hanini no ndo aiteiria kugucia haha nja hindo meterire teini itu ragucia nja ni mitungi fatane ko atari na mai okunike wega mitungi teta tu hau ndo maikarire tamenya no megukena we megukenio niki that love we ndo titeiria igwaku we ndo ti estetira uikaraga ni that love rugira kwa neighbor nyumba ya gatatu ni kucafa ciroima ngokwira uma kwa muko uri ungiginya kwa randirodi marona iriki mana kutondu gwaku gutingirugikiire hamwe maikarire oriri that love muthenyo mwene magoka kenyumba gyaku mauge Esther gai ni uririkanaga handu hatwitite birthday yaku uria twikarire mitungi guku ni gwaku then see God because you never be great because you are great. You start from where you are. Then ole tu nagu munene nikuimena na kumena hara wikaraga ate ginya mama no kuhe lift goinukie tu ndio goinukie tu Monica no to kuhiriria hara wikaraga njire riu de haha ugu de muci riu de haha ri ogitigara haha ni takinyite no niki ni gwaku utarenda kwa ndio hara uraregera ri ni hara hena estate thaka andu mecirio ikaraga hau na ni uri coko nyongo ethini muno ari ugu twikia we kuingira na thiini ogera kinya Salam ogera akira kinya twikania estate yo negetha twanyi hara Salam ya bereini kodwe nyumba ini cio cia mabati mena na iguru na tumitaro tuingi ukurugo gigakinya hena irato tigaga ha njoro kinyuthi cia kuingira gwaku riu ici cia mekanya ukiri ukuite ucenjagiria u ha njoro ici ngiuga tiga hau kana tungamu ukehura goko hana ugu hana hari uri ingira no nginya uri tonya ha njoro kenyuthini nigetha haruki cia gutonya kuu nikuo uikaraga na nikuo gwaku na nikuo Ngai abangite thaa ici a time will come o kuu kuhuthu uri Ngai akwambararie. The Bible says thank you, the Bible says do not despise your days of humble beginning. Ndukanyanare matuko maku maoni maria wathinikaga. I remember the toikaraga godo gogwetwo Lakisama ona gad twari na mwana omwe tu Alvin from Lakisama kumira Babadogo is about 3 kilometers na ne kuru you still see the share honiate. This madam does not walk fast, she walks very slowly no ni maro ho ma divitari madagitari matihio haga dimenya thino sho makokane training yani twai marake togo 3 kilometers na mundu arathio damuro go karibu ni kana ni ndathurire oyo ngoria hihire hidio ni matoro ni tugucoka twike atia thutha ko githingi mwetagirira tutonye matoro ini mau tutonye matutiari ngari tukinye ri Babadogo tukore andu metagirira andu hau ana keluo aluo tuthambio maguru na tuthambirio irato getha tuingira mata na ta imagine ko gwito no to hostaga andu. We used to host kina Jamila kina Sir James mwaga Mombasa ko kana Nissan matatu ndio arutaga ko kinisa ndio kana kio Jane, this Jane here tulikana yeye huko. We used to chinja mbuzi kwa dhijaga buliku na Lakisama. We used to be happy na tuiku muci ko ne kwega korono kwikirwo maguru kumire ona ndo niguo maikaraga Salam nere twari aurite goguo aroko hingurira nyumba wingire kora nginya system ya music ya remote thina ni na gukunja we waingira nyumba tutigane na nja tigane na kungi waingira nyumba kora irio no rerere iyo mambo ingine akura nje ni nini tigane kunja ya tulikaa hivyo na ntocokaga tukauma riu thina wi hau Ngai agicoka agituhega kari then we were able now kuhituka aria angi nao makiengea tukama wish well na ono mageka atia no mariuka your humble beginnings kuri andu haha joy na no ndimagwete na maritwa tiga hi mangiconoka mathuire muno kuririkanio ono ngimwira taririkana riria waikaraga mlango ugakwira shalab kira njira riu andori haki nginya kwandikire message chunga mdomo, you are talking too much. Mlango ndukananjaririe Ngai na hindi ukwenda gukena tondu mwagituire na Miriam murango kwira Ngai mwene thitu Ngai narathimana taririkana uria ohanaga murango arakare. Why do you hate your past? Why? That is how it was meant to be. Onara mehana ni mwahikite kihigo gigikua. Why should you carry that part in bitterness? It was meant for that. It was meant for that. Why hate that period? Hey, when I'm in the past, when I'm in the notioniki, why hate you? Appreciate your past. And that's why you see me in the past as ha. Toa dikana kuna toa samanagia dhoko. Gama kuna maraili na dhoko ina na hivi tulino. Ato tile atura nila toa na maru kakamuno. And we remember those days. And again, talk about getting a kid to do more needed. Now, we will get a girl or to Tigana go, the Koran, and give a corner quick. I love those days. Sometimes I miss. Corona go to the fridge, Garima Guta, Euroke Kuguade. On a Viro case and I shall quite the man, Dina Geraharia, Daroga. I miss those days, not because I want to be there again, but that's my foundation. That's my foundation. There is no going to you on the That's not a big thing. It's a matter of time. Modosha means Monosio. Yeah, Monano took anything. Anything. Origano Miakato di already. And I took example with President Obama. If I did a Damutika Illinois, I saw Kenya. Some of you don't know history. Kenya, Obama Senior. Obama is not an English name. You always hear Canada get Obama to Tokia, Nilitorio Fatidi, Lilia Jaruo. Saluo name. Only gonna Tio and I don't know. If you want to baptize, no Koro way. Obama is a Kogaro guy, one of the most educated Kenyans those days. Little did he know. Little did he know. It's a seed of greatness. A king, a mover, a wild ruler. We'll take a Tori the Mwana Karana doing the Kigiki. Tori to transfer the bitterness to your daughter, to your son. Hojakaro Hitia Korokahana Modusio. Guy. Kaga Korogonaruo. Kona to get to go to Hina. Wana Kahia Tahakomu. Negoti de Cohera. Egeni Yatana Hona, Comanyo Keno. Another. Don't hate those days. I'm telling you, don't hate those days. And I quote the Bible, do not despise the days of your humble beginning. Tokana nyarari matukoma kumakia birilia. Matukoma no magawotua, a great person. Matukoma no magawotua, a great hero. Kwa jave na ni experience. They no tumaka mudo tuke perfect. Adora magere menya maro ini matigituka scared. Taru ni kurarira tissue ni jowe, kutarukirwa tissue ni jowe, kuthitara irato tissue ni jowe, kukomakaria mudo taru wagarajira rego. Ya, mimi nimepitia huko. Ginya koina haha mbere asira nyinage na style oguo tondu kirato giakwa soro eno ya thirire na ndingihota guthi gwikirithia soro ngetha soro ingi ngabandika iguru rieno ngatumana waya twe kanitha na ndirahura ndarama waya igatuika igatheca kuguru riu andu monage ndiraina oguo mecirage ni swagi ni stingo ni swagi njero ya kuruga na ni ndina ndarama tukiina ati robero rako titiga ku ndireko mwana hivi tutoka nyina akoi akiona thakame ikinyuruka kuma kirato-ini anyonagio uguo ngamwika ndiramenya ndirarua thakame no nginya rwimbo ruthire na tondu nyimbo ciathira tuguthi mbere ha Ngai ithuothe tuge Ngai ware ame muoyo andu othe nimahoya-ini ngauma riu thina ri waya i mwiri na kirato gicomoragwo na thutha koguo ni nginya indeme muno ngicomora kuguru na thutha yume thakame kagamba papa na ndikanitha na ndikuinuka na nigucabu Ngai umuthi uyu ndiĩ ndiratu cigana. I don't know my shoes and my due ndagurire kiratu nie na mbia ciakwa ria mwisho 207 I think 27 I don't know kuri iratu ciuma imwe irehagwo muciĩ nĩ members arĩa marutaga wĩra kwa iratu arĩa matumaga ta charity ingĩ ngareherwo nĩ acirika online ingĩ igatumwo na FedEx ingĩ ndĩrora ya ngĩhunjia ngatwarwo ngagũrĩrwo Ngai akĩndĩa ona ndiũĩ iratu ciumaga atĩa for sure. I don't know the price or cost of the shoes. I don't know this. Sijui tondũ nani nĩndakirĩrĩirie kũnyamara wewe unoga thĩna kanini ũkeherera. Where is your perseverance experience? Ukarutwo na kĩkũmĩrĩria utavumilia nini? How will you be hardened to persevere?